So just to give you an idea of the accessories attachment here, let me detach this handle and hose. So there's a red button here. I'm going to push it and it releases. You can see there's the handle, and with this handle I could simply put this brush in here, and let me turn this on so you could take a look at the spinning brush. Right there. You can see how powerful it is just by the noise of the motor. Now you could adjust the suction here by twisting this. You can see, you can hear different sounds, different suction, just by twisting this. And let me turn it off. So that here is the brush roll. And obviously these are similar. You know, just attaching these short attachments. Or if you want the extended hose, you could also attach the extended hose. Which is right here. So the extended hose simply attaches from this side, and from there you can have the extensions like so, or with this short nozzle, and also with this brush roll. So you could have you know, very steep long reach of 3 feet. Like so. And that is really the nice features of this. So let me go ahead now and vacuum this small little area right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is simply step on this and tilt it. Turn it on. You can see there's the nice little lights. And now with the brush roll, I can push it easily. With the brush roll, it goes track. Here, of course, the cord's in the way. If I turn on the brush roll for the... You can see that the light is on for the brush roll. If I turn it off, you can see that light, that green light is not there. And you can see it swivels. Has that nice swivel to it. And it is a little bit tough to maneuver around. Even with the swiveling. And let me just stop it right there. And there you go. That is the UV540 Shark. And I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.